Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're running an Intel-based system, just to let you know that yesterday on the 17th, Intel released its new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drivers. And for the Wi-Fi driver, that's version 23.100.0, and this download link will be in the description down below. And for the Bluetooth driver, that's version 23.100.1, and this will also be down below in the description. Now, the changes that have rolled out with the Wi-Fi driver, according to Intel, for both Windows 10 and Windows 11, these include improvements for Wi-Fi sensing, and the update includes functional and security updates, and Intel says that there may also be minor issues addressed that will impact performance, stability, or vendor-specific functionality, so just take note of that. And for Windows 11, it also updates for 6 gigahertz capabilities, so quite a lot going on with this latest Intel Wi-Fi driver. And the download is valid for these products, and you can just pause the video at the relevant timestamp if you want to find out the products that are affected. And for the Bluetooth driver, the change that has rolled out for this driver is exactly the same when it comes to including functional updates, and users are encouraged, according to Intel, to update to the latest version for best performance. Now, although Intel says they're encouraging you to update, what I always say with drivers is if your system is running fine, do not update your drivers unless there's a specific reason, maybe for gaming or for stability or an issue. But if you're completely happy with how your system is running, then just ignore these drivers, because I always say sometimes the latest and greatest drivers can cause issues. And drivers, I think, are one of the biggest impacts on instability and issues when it comes to causing problems with Windows. And the download is valid for the products listed here for the Bluetooth driver. So once again, you can just pause the video at the relevant timestamp. So there we go. That's the latest drivers, 23.100.0 and 0.1 for both Intel Wi-Fi drivers and the Bluetooth driver. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.